Hello everyone, today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two mobiles come with an IP48 rating. Next, compare display features. Galaxy Z TriFold comes with 10 inches dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x display, and the Galaxy Z Fold7 comes with 8 inches LTPO AMOLED 2x display. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Both two phones come with the same camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connected stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.